Hi, my name is Hannah Blake and I'm a student at Broadway Family Karate. Today I'll be showing you how to do bow one step number 4. The attacker is going to start in waki no kamae, and when your partner tells you to attack, you'll step forward and do an overhead strike. And when they tell you to attack again, you'll step forward and do a reverse overhead strike. Now I'm going to show you that from the side. So when they tell you to attack, step forward and do your overhead strike. And then when they tell you to attack again, reverse overhead strike. Now if you're defending, you'll start in a natural stance. You'll step back and do an upward block, and then on their second attack, step back again and do an upward block. Then open the door and do an outside block, being mindful of your partner's hand. Try not to hit them. And then do a double hand thrust towards the neck and shuffle step away. Now I'm going to show that from the side. So start in natural stance, step back and do an upward block, and then upward block again. Open the door and do an outside block, and then a double hand thrust towards the neck and shuffle step away. Now I'm going to show you with a partner. Attack, upward block, attack. You're going to do your upward block again, and then open the door and do that outside block, being mindful of your partner's hand, and then a double hand thrust towards the neck and shuffle step away. Now I'll show that again at speed. Attack, 2, thank you, Mr. Wicker. That was bow one step number 4. Remember to be mindful of your power on that outside block so that you don't hit your partner's hand. Thank you for watching.